What happens when you enter a URL in a browser? When a URL is typed or entered in a browser or a link is clicked in the user space, it has to make a HTTP request so that it can connect with the server. Okay, first let me say what is HTTP and what is HTTP request. First, HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay, definition for HTTP is the HTTP is an application-based protocol that allows a web-based application to communicate and exchange data. In simpler words, it is just a protocol that communicates to and fro between a web server and a client, and it is fully based on TCP/IP protocol. Okay, for a TCP/IP protocol, we need IP address, and we get that IP address from DNS. We'll see in the next video about detailed about that. And then HTTPS. HTTPS is a hypertext transfer protocol secure, and this is used when we use a credit card details or other security stuff. And this encryption is done using two methods: secure socket layer, transfer layer security. Now, what does a HTTP request contain? It has three fields: general, response, request. In general, we have a request URL, request method, status code, and in response, we have a server. That server will be hidden because to for a security purpose, and then set cookies, content type, content length, date, then request cookies. Okay, in this response, we have set cookies. This set cookies is that a piece of code is sent from a server to the client in response. Okay, then in request, when okay, imagine a situation that you have already opened google.com in your browser, and that web server has sent you some cookies. Now again you are trying to open it, and you send a request. With that request, what cookie was sent previously, that cookie will be attached to this request and it will be sent. Then it has a accept, then a content type, content length. A content type will be of HTML, CSS, JavaScript file, PNG, JPEG, AJAX, and user agent and a referrer. A user agent will give a lengthy character and a detail about what operating system we use and which browser and what version it is. And I would like to present a demo how it works. Okay, I'll just go give google.com. Then I go inspect networks. Then you can see some type shown: PNG, PNG, PNG. Then status all 200, 200, 200. Size disk cache. Okay. Now I'll go type Uniswap. Okay. You can see XML file, GIF, PNG. Then I'll just click on to one. In this you can see I think it is a bit short. Let me see this. Okay. And in general, we have a request URL, then a request method. Okay. Now, what is a request method? We have four familiar request methods that are get, post, put, delete. Get is to retrieve data from the server, and post is to submit data to the server, and put is to update on it, and delete, as we know, as the name suggests, it is to delete data from the server. Then we have a response header. In response header, and it accepts a range of bytes. Then the length is 4465. Then the content type is image/GIF. Now in the request header, we'll have the referrer. means google.com, and user agent Mozilla, leave of Mozilla, Safari, I don't know why it is there, and we can see Windows 10, and the Chrome version is 92.0.451415. And we have seen a status code here with a green dot on it before that, and we can see from disk cache. I'll say what is a disk cache and memory cache in the next video. And now I'll tell you what is a HTTP status code. 100 is informational, a request is received and it is processing on it. And then 200 is successful, means it has received, it has accepted. And then 300 is redirect. And 400 is a client error, 500 is the server error. And we would have also come up on with some other familiar numbers like error 404 or error 4401. Now 200 stands for OK. Okay. And 201 stands for OK, means URL has been received and accepted and something is created. And 301 is moved to a new URL, and 304 is not modified, 400 is bad request, 401 is unauthorized, as we know 404 is not found, and 500 is an internet server error. Thank you.